Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to block potentially unwanted apps from downloading in Microsoft Edge Chromium. Click three dots. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Services. Turn on Block Potentially Unwanted Apps under Services. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.